Have you ever looked at a pile of fabric and wondered how it could turn into a beautiful quilt? Today, let's dive into the art of quilting and watch a collection of blocks transform into a masterpiece. Imagine all your finished blocks laid out in front of you. You can use a table, a design wall, or even the floor. What's important is being able to step back and see the whole picture. Check for balance. Colors, values, and patterns should feel evenly spread. It's your chance to swap blocks around until it feels just right. Once your layout shines, it's time to sew. Start with your first row. Pick up the blocks in order and stack them like a deck of cards. This keeps everything organized. Now, sew each pair together using a consistent 1/4 inch seam. Remember to press those seams, either to one side or open. Consistency is key. Repeat this for every row. As you sew and press, the quilt top will start to form beautiful strips of patchwork. Next, it's time to join those rows. This is where your pressing choices matter. If you pressed seams to opposite sides, they'll nest perfectly. If you pressed open, you'll achieve a smooth finish. Don't forget to pin at every seam intersection for crisp points and aligned lines. Sew each row to the next, one seam at a time, and keep pressing as you go. As the rows come together, watch your quilt transform from pieces into a unified whole. This is the moment many quilters fall in love with the craft, when your vision becomes something tangible. Finally, give your entire quilt top a gentle press. Smooth out any ripples and check your edges. If needed, trim for that perfect finish. Just like that, you've created your first quilt top. A patchwork story stitched with patience, skill, and heart. In our next episode, we'll prepare your quilt for basting, turning this top into a layered masterpiece ready for quilting. Stay tuned and keep stitching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.